Hello again. We're going to continue on with the gateway questions. This is number 20. This is the end of the grouping from 11 to 20, where we're doing the product rule. You notice the first two factors the only two factors that we have here are product together, which means that we're going to use the product rule to start. First thing we notice, we can call this A of t. We can take the second factor, call it B of t. And when we go to use the product rule, we'll start off by finding h prime of t. And what we do is we take the derivative of the first factor, multiply it by the second factor, no derivative, plus, now we go in the opposite order. We leave the first factor alone, and then multiply by the derivative of the second factor. So one thing you notice here, hopefully, is that there are two derivatives to take. We have to take A's derivative and B's derivative, and we'll do this using the sum and difference rule. Okay, so now we expand this out. We're going to take the derivative of A, which, using the power rule, 2t, the derivative is 2 times t to the 0, which is 1, and the derivative of any constant is 0. Then, so here's the derivative of A, then we take B, leave it alone, plus we leave A alone, and now we're going to take the derivative of B. First thing we note is that 4 is a constant, so it's 0. Then we're going to take the derivative of 0.5t, which is just minus 0.5. And here, not a quotient rule, 1 over 9.6, that's just a constant. We have to take the derivative of t to the 3/2, so we'll take down the 3/2, multiply it onto the side here, and then t to the 3/2 minus 1, which is 1/2. So we use the power rule, and then we use the product rule, and then each part that was left is just a sum and difference rule. Keep in mind, on the gateway, there is no need to simplify.